Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix the emoji missing on your keyboard on your iPhone. So if you are missing some when you tap on your emoji, you want to follow these steps in order to fix it. So let's get started. The very first thing which you want to do is come over to your settings, and then you are going to go to general and then hop over to keyboard, and then go all the way down where you have a setting called emoji sticker that is embedded or integrated with your emoji keyboard. And if you are seeing a missing one, simply turn that setting off and that should be good to go ahead and fix it. Just close out the app and then reopen that app, click on keyboard and then click on emoji, and that should be fixed. That's going to be the one quick fix. Now, if that did not work for you, then the other thing is that you need to open up your settings, scroll down towards general, then open up your keyboard setting, and then click on keyboards. Simply tap on edit on the top right corner and then delete the emoji keyboard. And after that, tap on add new keyboard button, and down at the bottom search for emoji keyboard. Select it and it is going to be added on your keyboards. Now again, go ahead and do the same thing. Close out all the apps and then relaunch the app, and then go ahead and tap on keyboard emoji, and that should be working for you. So guys, these are the ways to fix it. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.